2, 3.
Hey loves, thanks for tuning in. As you can guess by what you're looking at, it's going to be a quick video on juicing. With the weather changing, cold and flu season is upon us, and COVID has not took its funky behind anywhere. I wanted to build up my immune system. Your girl is not on camera because I am not camera ready today. I washed my hair, so I'm waiting on it to dry enough so I can do a twist tutorial for you guys, because that is my next low manipulation hairstyle. So we have here 8 1-pint jars. I'm not a person that skips past holidays, like Halloween, but this is what the Dollar General had, so this is what I'm using. I'm not also a person who loves to juice. Juice is a lot of work and the cleanup sucks. However, I love how my body feels when I drink fresh juice. So these have immune boosting juices, which I'm going to show you each and every one. So yeah, let's get this thing started. So we're starting off with carrot juice. Ginger. I always put too much ginger, but I love ginger, so I don't have the recipe, y'all. I'm just kind of spitballing. The carrots, I use a whole bag of carrots. So this is about I would say a third a pound of ginger. Oh. The juice I'm making doesn't have a name. I'm just putting a lot of goody, yummy. And then we'll go from there. Next we have fresh lemon. Yes, I'm using my bare hands, but I'm only juicing for myself. So don't at me, y'all. So I'm going to do 2 whole lemons. Alright, so next we're moving on to celery. Oh, maybe I should turn it back on. I turned it off so that I can clean out the goop that had began to fill up in here. That generally happens with the more fleshy fruits like the lemons. So harder fruits like some vegetables like celery, it just goes right through. It does not clog up the machine, and neither does carrot. But if it has like a soft flesh on the inside, baby, I'll be going through it. And we're gonna do a whole bunch of carrot. I'm sorry, a whole bunch of celery, like 1 whole bag. And next we have Romaine Hearts, or Hearts of Romaine, whatever. And I have about a 3-pack. And I'm only doing 2 of the 3 heads. Next, I'm going to do 3 extra large cucumbers. Next, we're going to add in some golden delicious apples. I'm going to do about 6 of them. And I'm not peeling off the flesh. It just makes it easier for them to go through because it's a fleshy fruit. It will clog up the machine. The flesh helps push it through a little bit better. Or at least I think. We'll see. So next we have some persimmons. Kind of look like tomatoes, and I'm almost certain that they're going to do me like the apples just did me. Probably a little better, more like the cucumbers, because I straight just made applesauce. Okay? But I'm going to use 3 whole persimmons. Oh, maybe I should move my tray. And next I'm going to do some oranges. This is the last fruit we're putting in. They're extra large oranges. Persimmons are like applesauce. Are like the apples. They kind of make a pulp instead of a juice. So that's just a tidbit for anybody who wants to juice them. So I haven't figured out how not to waste all of the pulp yet, but I do have some carrot pulp here that I'm going to add to some chickpeas and make some untuna. It really gives it a more fishy flavor, if you can believe. Although I add the seaweed, of course, when I add the carrot pulp to my chickpea untuna, I definitely get a more tuna vibe. Once I learn how not to waste all of the rest of the pulp, I'll be doing amazing. FYI, this is enough juice for me to have 2 juices for 4 days. 4 days is really the maximum that you want to keep fresh juices in your refrigerator. So I'll have one for breakfast and one with my lunch. Yummy. So after all of our blood, sweat, tears, and pulp cleaning, this is what we have. A nice color. Of course, it's orange because of the carrots. That beta carotene overpowers almost everything. I was cucumbers, even romaine lettuce, and you really cannot tell. It just makes the orange a little paler. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, loves. As always, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, because we need more people in our community. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do a video. Stay healthy, guys. Talk to you soon.